Let's talk about backup and restore for Vertex AI Agent Builder. So backing up your chatbot is incredibly easy, and you can do so by clicking on the icon, which isn't really labeled with anything, but once you click on it, you can see export agent and restore agent. And if I click on export agent, you have a couple of options: raw bytes or JSON package. And I would recommend that you export your agent as JSON package, as after you download it on your local host or GCS bucket. You can, for example, keep track, especially if you did what I suggested you do and keep everything in Git. You can see what are the changes that you did with each export and what changed. And raw bytes, yeah, it will just export it. You won't be able to keep a lot of keep track of what's happening here. And then you can immediately export it to the cloud storage or download it to your local host. And restoring, yeah, same story. So if you just go and restore, and again, you can upload the file or just click on to restore it from the cloud storage. And another useful feature is the change history, where you can keep track of different changes that were made. So you can fold back and see what was changed. Basically, yeah, just revert some changes that were made that you didn't necessarily like. So, yeah, see you in the next one.